Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Sil
And Leah
from Loopy.
Today we are going to learn some te reo Māori.
That's right. Now we have 3 words that we're going to teach you today. Do you know what this picture is here? That's right, it's a sea creature. And in te reo Māori we call it a taniwha. Can you say that after me? Taniwha. Oh, beautiful.
Our next picture down here, do you know what it is? That's right, it's somebody swimming. Kohoi. Would you like to try that out? Kohoi. Well done.
Beautiful. All right, and our last kupu, our last word, do you know what's in this picture here? Yeah, that's right, it's the sea. Can you say after me? Moana. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Moana. Oh, beautiful. So we had 3 words today. We had taniwha, we had kohoi, swim, and then we had moana, the sea.
If you want to keep practicing those kupu, those words, you can check out our video, Tētahi Taniwha, One Day a Taniwha, over on YouTube.
That's right. Okay, until next time though. Ka kite.
Ka kite.